Today, I'm going to show you how you can avoid spending far too much time glued to your chart, sitting at your computer and not making any money. Does that sound good? Well, it should do, because with this one simple trading tip and technique, I'm going to change all that for you. Let's get into it right now. Hey there traders, Andrew Mitchum here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 505. And that's right, I'm going to today save you a lot of time. I'm going to save you a lot of mixed emotions and probably make you a lot of money as a result. So, should sound pretty good to you. Unfortunately, most people out there, most people watching this, most people listening to this will be spending far too much time sitting at their charts, watching every pip of movement up and down, scared to leave their charts, forcing trades, getting emotionally involved in their trading. And as a result of that, you're not doing yourself any good, you're not making any money, you're not doing your health any good, and you're wasting too much time. Look, I know I used to do it myself a long time ago when I started trading, and it's a very easy trap to fall into. And it doesn't do you any good. It doesn't make your longevity as a trader any good, because you're forced to sit there hour upon hour because you're scared about missing a move. It also means if you're in a trade, you tend to find that you force yourself into a trade. And if you're in a trade, you tend to jump out early because you see the trade moving in your direction and it pulls back and you go, oh, I should just take it now because something's better than nothing, right? And it's an issue that so many people face. It also means that they don't know when to look at their charts. And that confusion from looking at maybe like, let's say, a 15-minute chart saying the market's moving up, an hour chart says it's moving down, a daily says it's moving up, and you get this complete mix going on and you don't know what to do. So a very, very easy way of avoiding all that is only look for a new potential trade setup upon the close of a candle. And what does that mean? Well, the Forex market opens at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's New York time every day. That's when the new day starts. So the market opens 5 p.m. on the Sunday, New York time, and it closes 5 p.m. on a Friday, New York time. So at the beginning of each week, just once a week, you could look, let's say, at the weekly charts. You know when they open at the beginning of each week. They're not going to change throughout the week, or the previous week's information is not going to change. Once the week's closed, you look at the weekly chart, you can make your analysis. Exactly the same on a daily chart. You know when the daily chart opens. It's 5 p.m. New York time. At that time, the previous day's candle is complete. You can make your analysis. So if you traded just once a day on the daily charts, you can do very, very well. Also, you could then say, let's go something slightly shorter. You could look at the 12-hour charts. Now, conveniently, they also open at 5 p.m. New York time. And of course, 12 hours later will be 5 a.m. New York time. So if you wanted to look at the 12-hour charts, you could look just twice a day, and that will give you a lot of trading opportunities within a day. Of course, you could go down to 8-hour charts, which of course, 3 8s, 24 hours in a day, they open 3 times a day. 6-hour charts 4 times a day, 4-hour charts 6 times a day. You know, it's very, very easy to know when to look at your charts. So base the start of the day off 5 p.m. New York time. If you wanted to look at the next 4-hour chart, don't even bother between 5 and 9 p.m. New York time, because the candle hasn't closed. At 9 p.m. New York time, the next 4-hour candle will close. Everything's set. Doesn't matter what levels you use, what indicators you use, nothing's moving from that previous 4-hour candle. So if nothing else, pick the time frame charts that you like the look of, or the times of day when you can have a look. Know what that is in your local time and look at your charts at that time once the candle has closed. It takes emotions out of your trading because you can see everything set. It makes the analysis a lot better. You can take some time. You can look at strength and weakness of other pairs that have closed as well. You can get your stop losses and your profit targets all in place. You can say, well, does this have anything to help protect the stop loss? Is my profit target a good level? Your lot size, everything that you need to look for, you can do without emotion because you have time. you can also know when to go and look at your charts. So as I mentioned, if you wanted to trade, say like weekly charts, daily charts, 12-hour charts, really, you just need to look twice a day on the 12-hour charts, once a day daily, once a week weekly. That's it. Job done. You're not sitting there watching every pip of movement go up and down. You're not scared to miss something. And so that's how you can really help yourself with your trading progress there. Absolute certainty, you will enjoy it better. Absolute certainty, you will take higher quality trades because you're not emotionally involved and you're not scared of missing something. So that's a massive tip there that will help your longevity and your profitability and your enjoyment. So take advantage of that information. If you're out there looking for a suitable broker, I can highly recommend Blueberry Markets. They're based across the ditch from me. I'm in New Zealand, they're over in Australia, but it doesn't matter where you live in the world. Most countries you can open an account and trade through Blueberry Markets. Great people, the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 broker platforms, and a large variety of different markets, both Forex and now non-Forex markets, especially on their MT5 platform. I hope that helps. Do not sit looking at your charts all day. Do not get emotionally involved in your trades. Do not make stupid, rash, fast decisions. Take your trading back, slow it down, know exactly when to look at your charts, know what to look for. You'll do far better. Hope that helps. I'll see you this time next week. This is Andrew Mitchum at the Forex Trading Coach. Bye for now.